Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco M7 Pro 5G. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And yeah, there are two box versions out there. So the regular one here, so the global one, and one for selected European markets. So the global one is the better one because it contains a power adapter. Okay, let's start with the global one. If you want to have the SIM ejection tool, just remove this little yellow box here on top and then just open it, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, if you have the smaller European box, so you have to remove everything here inside, and then at the back of it you will find here the SIM ejection tool as well. Yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, always the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Here at the SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle now. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Place it like this so that the contacts are on top. Press it well. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card optional here at the other side of the SIM tray. So same thing, press it like this so that the contacts are on top. Press it now from both sides, that both SIM cards are well inserted. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's also a missing corner, of course, at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray anyhow with one or two SIM cards here back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.